Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will learn how to download and install SQL Server Management Studio 22. So let's begin. First open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft SSMS download page. So we can search here SSMS 22 and enter. So these are the official Microsoft SSMS download page. So we can click on install SQL Server Management Studio. Then these are the information regarding the SSMS 22. So we can scroll down for download, and in that we have see the download SSMS 22. So we can click here. After that one file is downloaded, so we can see vsssms.exe file is downloaded on your laptop or system. So next in that I have say something. If we have download any setup or any SSMS things, so rememberly we can go to the official page of Microsoft, and in that we have downloaded. So next we have run this file as a run as administrator. After that, Windows Studio installer is installing. So virtual virtual studio installer, click on the continue button. Then virtual studio installer is downloading as well as installing. It gives 2 to 3 minutes, so we can wait for this. The installation window is open, so in that we have choose the workloads and then click on the install button. After that SSMS 22 is downloading. It takes around 5 to 8 minutes. It's depend on the system speed, so we can wait. It takes some time, so we can wait for this installing some packages. So installation of SSMS 22 is done. The installation has completed successfully. We recommended restarting Windows to clean up any remaining files. Okay, so close this window. If you required, please restart your system if needed. This is not necessary as per your requirement. So we can easily download and install SSMS 22. So now go to the start menu and select SSMS Microsoft SQL Server Tools 22. In there too we can see the SQL Server Management Studio 22. or we can search here SSMS. So in that we can see the SQL Server Management Studio 22. Click on that. So we can easily open the SSMS 22. Skip add account later. So import user setting is showing here. So if necessary, if you have import from SSMS 19, actually I have a SSMS 19 and already installed on my PC, so that's why he will showing this message. So this is the window of SSMS 22. In that we can see the server name, authentication options. If your SQL server is already installed, select your server and click connect. So these are the our server or instance. We can easily connect to the SSMS 22. If you already install SQL server, so easily we can click on connect and connect your SQL server, or if not, so you can install SQL server separately. That's how you download and install SQL Server Management Studio 22. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for the more SQL Server DBA tutorials. Thanks for the watching, and next video we will see what is the new features on SSMS 22. So thanks.